got my GoPro with me. I got my GoPro here. So we're about halfway up the Burren. I don't know whether this is the Burren or the other one is the Burren, or whether the whole thing is the Burren. But I want you to watch, because we're going to climb this thing together. Whoop. 23 seconds, I almost fell over. Alright, I'm not going to look at the camera. I'm just going to look where I'm going, and I think you'll get an idea of what it's like. Coral. Alright, so there's fossils in this. Looks like a lot of water has dripped through over the years, or eons. If you like rock, you'll love the Burren. There's more people coming. It's a popular spot, I guess. At least this side of the Burren seems to be pretty easily accessible. Next time we come, I'd love to see that side. But anyway, the important thing is just to get to the top in one piece. And Dominique looks like she's doing okay. So far, so good. Do you want me to carry the water?
No, that's okay.
I don't know how high up we are, but it's pretty bloody high. Probably as high as the cliffs of Maha. Probably.
No, do you think? No.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's hard to judge. We'll wait till we get to the top.
Alright.
Actually, when we get home, we'll Google it. We'll find out. Some pretty strange shapes.
Yeah, really.
It's weird how they move. They don't all move, but a lot of them move. So it's kind of scary. A lot of levels too.
Like levels.
Yep. Could have brought my keyboard up here.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. We're nearly there. Yeah, it's not so hard, but you got to pay attention. If you don't look where you step, you lose an ankle. Whoa, possibly even more than that. But I think we're almost there. You gonna go up to that top? Or we can just go to here. This is what the ancient seabed looks like. Cracks are deep. If you drop something down here, I would never see it again. Strange place to be. Kind of dangerous. Nice view though, huh?
Yeah.
Did you want to go to the top?
Sit first.
Yeah. Good idea.